So when we're talking about shin splints and tape, it's the same thing with everything else I've been saying, that it's going to consistently make whatever you're doing worse. The reason why the shin splints are there in the first place, the big root of shin splints, is your IT band. Because your IT is pulling on your hip, on your knee, and the outer part of your shin, it's locking up movement in your calf. That restricts movement in your ankle, and if your ankle isn't flexing and extending, then your shin is picking up your foot. All the front muscles are picking up your foot instead of the back muscles, which are your calves. So until those are relaxed, filled with good blood and good circulation, and the foot is released, you're going to get shin splints. But a quick on-the-fly fix for shin splints would be to put one thumb over the other and press down the outside of your shin as hard as possible, all the way down from right below your knee all the way down into your ankle a few times. That'll be on-the-fly movement, a quick fix for your shin splints. But to actually correct them, you'd want to put your foot on a golf ball and roll the arch to release your calf, and you want to release your calf foam rolling and sticking, because that'll release your arch. So those two things releasing each other, the foot and the calf, will create blood flow, generate blood flow, and allow for the muscles to actually fire and move and activate on your run, as opposed to the ankle not moving and the front of the leg, the front of the lower leg, all those muscles firing. And going up with the IT band, correcting your glute function and your hip function, well, that tells the leg what to do. It tells the foot how to flex, how to extend. So if your hip isn't picking up your knee, if your hip isn't flexing and extending, you can't expect your foot to. And so the beginning of plantar fasciitis really is a shin splint. That's the first sign that you're having a problem down there. So totally correctable, but you do not want to use tape on these things. You're locking in an injury and then you're keeping it that way and running. Tape is not prevention. Tape is not correction. Tape is not a remedy. It is a Band-Aid. Do not get it confused. You don't want to use tape if you actually don't want pain. If you want to create a bigger injury, tape away. But if you don't want to be injured and you don't want to be in pain, you want to correct what's wrong with you and your function. And by that, you need no tape, no apparatus. You just need your body to work better. And that's what we do at RunPainFree.